When the open road becomes your home and you're finding joy in the pathless forests, we realize that so much of who we are is where we have been. Wherever you go, it becomes a part of you, a collection of memories led by the desire to feel and embrace, becoming one with nature by blending into its majestic surroundings. You're a wanderer, explorer, dreamer, and when the sky turns golden, you know that the next journey awaits you, because you are embracing the unknown. Rumi.
I can be a man, be big and tough. For you, darling, there won't be enough. I would learn to move mountains, and I'd learn to part the sea. Whatever you want, whatever you need, you're the light in the tunnel when I'm feeling gray. You're the sun peeking through on that cold winter day. And if I could change a thing, you know, nothing would be changed. 'Cause I love you so, and I'm glad you came. Oh, you walked into my life at such a dark time, when I couldn't make a move and I couldn't make a rhyme. You picked me up and dusted me off and told me I was fine. You said, oh babe, I'm yours till the end of time. You're the light in the tunnel when I'm feeling gray. You're the sun peeking through on that cold winter day. And if I could change a thing, you know, nothing would be changed. 'Cause I love you so, and I'm glad you came.